How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how I made this AFROBEAT. It's a Driemo. I don't know if it's Driemo type beat. I think it's Driemo. Okay, let me play the beat first. After that I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat. Okay, this is the beat. So now let's go to the tutorial. Let me explain how I made this beat. Let me loop here. Okay. So now let's go to the tutorial. The first thing I've set was the BPM to 90 and the swing 40. As you can see, it's 40. So I'm gonna start with the kick. I think it's a kick. Using this this plugins tracks. Okay, I'm using this kit tree, okay, for the kick. Let's see how it sounds. I'm just finish 4 steps, okay, as you can see. Easy. Then the next thing is I'm using this Kit 5 SM plugin, and I've played this. Let me put the kick on so that we can hear how they sound together, okay? Okay, then the next one, again, same plugin tracks. I'm using Kit 3 again, and I've played this. Okay, easy. Next one, again tracks. I'm using Kit 6 and I've played this. Let's see how it sounds alone. Okay, nothing crazy. Let's see how it sounds together, all together. Okay, next one, I'm using Span 2 classic bell. I've played this, I don't know if it's a chord progression or something like that. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Okay, the next instrument, I've copied the same progression just to give some little layer. Okay, I'm using this concert mallet, and it sounds like this. Okay. Next one, I'm using again Spin 2 DX Dream with an arpeggiator. I've played this for this chord progression. Okay. The next one, I'm using Spin 2 again, live drums to play these drum fills. Okay, where it is? Okay, here. Okay, then let's go to the bass. I'm using this free plugin from IKM Multimedia. Okay, then I've played this bounce. Okay, let's see again. Okay, then the last one, I'm using this for the chorus. Fame or high pass pad, ne? Something like a vocal. Let me solve it. Okay, that's it for the beat, guys, for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you didn't yet, consider subscribe to the channel, and peace. I hope you liked the video.